Okay, greetings everyone. Today, basically, I will definitely try. I want to take you through the ADNI database on how exactly to use ADNI or how to collect data from the Alzheimer's disease neuroimaging initiative database. So basically, before you can get access to this database, you definitely have to apply for permission, a request. You have to send a request basically to get access to this database. So that's the first thing or the first step that you have to do. So basically, let's try to look at this database. This database basically consists of series of MRI, brain scans, PET, DTI, and fMRI. So basically, but there are other data that are available, clinical data. So you can definitely explore those areas. So based on what exactly you are interested in. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna type ADNI, and then we hit the enter button. So here is the website. So you just click this. Okay, now we are in the website that has a new website. So if you want to have more idea about this database, so you can just read some of these things. So I'm sure you will definitely get more ideas about this database. So basically, and then this is the part where you can have access to this data. So it seems like some of the things are uploaded. So still loading. So those things are not clear yet. So basically, but yeah, there are more information that's going to be displayed. So within this context, basically, you can also apply for access. So like if you scroll down, because some of the things is not loaded. So yeah, so you can also apply for access. That's the first thing that you have to do before you proceed to any other things. It seems like my connection is a bit slow or it's very very poor, so that's why you can't do all of these things. So but nevertheless, if you load, you will just see more options, and then you'll be able to apply for access over here. So now after applying for access, or after you have been granted access, so you can just come here and click the IDA, because you apply through IDA, and then click here. This one we have to log in. I've already saved my login information, so just hit the login button. Okay, so the next step is that search and download. I'll just click here and then scroll down to advanced image height. This image collection tab basically consists of my the data that I've collected earlier. So all of those data are stored here. That's the image collection tab. So this basically can it's enable me to easily have access to the data that I've collected before, or the data that I have stored. So all those data are stored in here. That is image collection tab. So I can easily get access to this data without much of a struggle. So here basically it's for beginners. Basically, if you don't have any data, so you want to search images, you can just come here and image height, and then you click it. Yeah, so this is the advanced image height. But basically, when you look at this part, also you have search, advanced image height, and data collection. Data collection basically is where all my data is been stored. That is the data that have been collected. But I already click advanced. When I click, once I click advanced image, it just bring me to this tab straightforward. So basically here you observe that here this one is having two partitions, one on the left and the other one on the right. So the one on the left basically like anything that I check here will definitely reflect here, which means that more options will be added on the right hand side. For example, if I click subject specific information, this one, you also have another option has been added, that is APO EA1, APO EA2. So if I uncheck it, you see it disappears, and if I check assessment as well, another option will be added here. So based on what exactly you are needed, you can look at the box that you have to check and whatsoever. So basically this is the database. So all we have to do is that yes, this is the ADNI 1, ADNI 2, ADNI 4, whatsoever. So here anyone is okay with me, so I just have to click that one. If I want to cycle it, not like that. So basically the next step is that I have to look at the Alzheimer's disease CPP that I need. I need Alzheimer's disease AD, individuals that have been diagnosed with Alzheimer's disease. I will check this one as well. So basically the other thing is that here I will look at select one of these options. If I still wish, you can also ignore it. So yeah, so I need ADNI screens. So ADNI screen basically is what I need. So the individual that are basically screens, has an Alzheimer's disease. So you can also select for the 6 months or 18 months or whatever. If you want, also you can leave it blank like this. So to include all the necessary options in your area. So basically, I'm also interested in the image description. Basically, it's also very important. But I'm interested in the MP range, repeated MRI scan, that is magnetic magnetization, prepared rapid gradient echo repeated MRI, they actually provide a very high structural, a high resolution of structural magnetic resonance imaging. So for brain, structural brain magnetic resonance imaging. So far, that's the empiric image. So basically, you can also look for the modality that you need. So I'm interested in MRI. You can select for DTI, diffuse sensory imaging, PET, positional emission tomography, or fMRI as well. So any of these you are interested in, you can definitely select. So basically, the field strength also is very important. So I'm also I need 1.5 test of field strength. You can also look up for 3 tests of field strength if you want, or other field strength as well. So I need the 1.5 Tesla field strength. You can come that image acquisition planes, either axial, sagittal, coronal, or whatever. You can just select one, so the one you are interested in. So basically, also these are the manufacturers acquisition type, either 2D or 3D. So we also have the manufacturers. These are the manufacturers. So I'm definitely going for the GE medical system, and then also the Siemens medical system. So these are the manufacturers that I'm definitely going for. So if you want, you can also select one. If you want, also you can just leave it blank to include any of them, so or to include all of them. But the GE medical system and then the Siemens, basically these are the things that I need. So I just want to keep them intact. So I'll check this one so that you can update and the data that I will definitely run at the end of the day. So basically from there you can look up for the wages. What exactly you need, is it the T1 weighted MRI or the T2 weighted MRI or the position density? So which one exactly you want? So I am definitely interested in the T1, so I will check that one. I will check this one as well, and I will hit the side buttons. So it's just gonna take a few seconds for it to appear. Yeah, so this is the data. So Excel, so this is what Excel have site for. So you see we have all the necessary things. We have the subject ID, phase, that is the phase. Yes, we have the, in the phases we have ADNI go, ADNI 1, ADNI 2, ADNI. So this phase I think is all ADNI 1, it seems like, but I didn't specify, so I just check the box so that the phases can definitely appear here. So anything that I have checked there will definitely reflect here. So the sex also as well, and then the site close, select, age, and then all of this thing also have appeared. The email protocol, that's the field strength, also have checked it for it to appear here as well. So basically these are the things that we get. Yeah, what you can also go through your data and then see whether you don't have any other thing also that appears here that you do not want. So basically this is what exactly we have total. Okay, now we have this one here, but I don't need this one here, as you can see in this one, because this one basically I think is the or 6 months or so, but I just need only single images so far. Yeah, I don't need multiple images, so why you can leave it there. But if not, try it, you have double images so far in your data. So basically now we can look at the total number of images. We have 72 images so far. So these images, all I can select this and add it to my collections. That is here, add to collection. I will click this one, and then yes, I will definitely name it anything I want. So this is my collection. I can just put a name there that you can easily remember. Let's say my collections. I'll just put there my collections. So and then hit the OK button. But these images will definitely be added to my collection. You see, let's say the collection is added to my collection, and it's here my collections. Well, these are the images that I have collected before so far. So these are the use and use for my project, that is ADNI 1. This one manufacturer, I just put here what manufacturer, so that I will be able to identify it. So so this consists of 71 images. This is the GE medical systems, and then the ADNI 1 EDD so far. So these are some of the things that I get so far. So yeah, it's a big deal. So these are the things that I get here, and then yeah, we can definitely look for other things as well if you want. But let's look at some of the things that we actually collected this data. That's the 72 images. That's my collection, stored in my collection. So you can just check all of this thing, and if you want, you can one click download to download the whole images so far. But I'm not gonna download this. I'm just gonna show you one click download, and then yeah. So just gonna download these files, and then later you extract. You can just click here to download this file, and then later you just extract it. So its estimated time is 60 minutes for it to be downloaded. So it depends. So your internet connection. So basically this is how it is done. So if you want also to view this image, so you can just click here, yes, to view the image. If you want, you can click hit the view button. Allow you to load. Yeah, you see, and this one has 192 slides, and then this one is the assignment so far. yeah, because I know you see the assignments, so my favorite assignment, so it has 192. I just view the images from here, so I just show you that an earlier, so you can just see the size of the image. This one has this 192 pixels on the x-axis, 192, and then also the z is 160. So this is the volumes or the voxels of of the image itself. So basically, you can look at some of the information here. We have T1 widget MRI, so it's T1, and then the thickness is, that's the slide thickness is 1.2 millimeter. So as soon earlier on, you can definitely select the slide thickness if you want. So you can specify. So, but due to scarcity of data, sometimes it's very crazy to specify these stuff. If not, you will have enough data to run through your algorithm. So basically, yes, we using T1 widget MRI so far for this study. So this is how actually image collection is being done. So you can explore more. You can definitely go through it and then explore more and more and more. So the network was very, very poor. That's why I wasn't able to show you how exactly you will be able to to register through. So I think yes, you can explore that on your own, so it's not that much difficult. Yeah, so these are some of the options. This is the image collection, as I said earlier. If you click here, it's just gonna take you there. So this is advanced search results. So these are the search results. This is that we have search iron that we have added. This one is advanced search. If you wanna search, the data whatsoever. This one also is another bar, so you can use this one also to search your data so far without. But this one basically doesn't have more options. Basically, that you auto be able to specify it in a more detailed way. So basically, what it has is that yes, you can click here to select the groups, and then maybe the sex if you want, the age as well. If you can specify order, you can just like age or sex or sex or whatever. You can order it in that way. If you want also here, the description also you can select it like let's say NP images. The age also yes, it's possible. You can select it here. Slide thickness also you can select here. Acquisition plane also you can select here. Axial or corona or whatsoever. So if you cite this one also I can include all of them and then click the side button. This one also is very, very fast and silent, but yeah, I prefer using the advanced side than this one so far. So these are the images, so you can just select here and then add to your collection if you want as well. So but I do not prefer this one, but so I just want to specify it. So this one basically works that you will be able to select a lot of options like the manufacturer or whatsoever. So yeah, but it contains all few options. So if you are comfortable with this one also, you can go with it. So thank you so much. So this is the end of the short presentation, and I think that I'm sure that actually you will definitely learn something from it. If you want, you can explore more about this database. You can make more research of it, and then yes, to get more ideas about how you can use this database. But this is just a brief of it. So I think I have covered most so far, so almost recorded. But yes, you can explore the areas if you want. So this is how exactly to use the database. So if you want to register, you can definitely this is the area, but it's still not loaded. So you see due to internet. Yeah, but I think yes, you can just explore it on your own. So yeah, you can explore it on your own because it seems like that. I don't know why it's not loading. So it's just crazy. So you see, it's still not loading anything. But yes, for sure you can just explore it on your own. So I'm sure that you will just get something really good out of it. Yeah, still not coming. So this is the end of the presentation. So I'm just gonna thank you so much. So make sure you basically subscribe to this channel to at least encourage me or at least give me at least reason to continue, because I would definitely love to upload more information about this. So from here basically I will definitely try to talk about pre-processing step, that is brain tissue extraction. So far, yes, as part of the pre-processing using the 3D slicer. I think yes, this part also is a very interesting area. So just follow this page so that you will definitely get more information so far that are coming along. So this is my first time basically and this is my first video. So I will definitely love you guys to follow this page so far to at least encourage me to continue what I'm doing. So I am really counting on you guys. So just gonna say thank you so much and then see you next time. Okay, yeah.